Ever wondered why cats spend a lot of time grooming themselves? Well, tigers are very clean animals. Tigresses never take their meat into the dens, and constant licking keeps cubs clean as well as strengthening the bond between the mother and the cub. An important part of the hygiene and cleanliness is the tiger's rasping tongue. In a typical grooming session, the tiger will lick its paws and use them to wipe over the face, ears, and forehead. This is identical to the actions used by the domestic cat. Any injuries are carefully licked and coated with antiseptic saliva from the tongue. This aids in preventing infection entering into the wound. Most other animals use a sucking action very similar to a suction pump. Exceptions include the elephant, which uses its trunk, and the monkey, which repeatedly scoops water into the front paws and drains it into the mouth. The flared tongue and throat are covered in teeny hook-like projections called papillae. These are very efficient at stripping all stresses of meat off a kill, and each one contains anything from a dozen to several thousand taste buds. Despite this fact, the tiger has a diminished sense of taste, and this may explain why they will happily eat even putrid meat. The claim that tigers do scavenge and eat from well-rotted carcasses is not correct. They are opportunists and will take anything which comes in their way. Hope you like my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.